On fire!
Look at these girls.
God! Boom! Oh, it's sparking. It's sparking. It's sparking.
What do you think of that?
Okay. Okay, I've got the boom thing from someone who did it last year. Come over here. The fireworks come over here. Come on.
Oh, massive one!
Wait a minute, that's funny. I think it's... Oh, shit. Oh, well, it's stopped. Oh, I think the show's... well, it's stopped. I think the show's over for now. I think I've just put all this on YouTube and say... Oh, no, it isn't. The show's not over. Oh, no, it isn't. The show's not over. It's not over. The show must go on, actually. That's one way to put it. Anyway, I've been planning this for a long time. Go on, I'm gonna... Ouch, that's gotta hurt in the morning. Ah, maybe not. Oh. What's happened to me? I really don't know what's happened to me roast dinner. That's the question. Me roast dinner has just nearly... I've had me roast dinner anyway. Well, they let me down and they've grabbed me a burger for me. A flaming hot burger. No, I haven't been with it. Oh no. Ah, low battery, I'm gonna save some of this stuff. I'm gonna probably. There we are. Here we are, the film's running, up and running. Well, oh, I said when I was going to do it, I need to try to fill the people. Alright. And also Robin. I forgot your sisters on here.
Did you?
Yeah.
She's come through the car.
Say hi.
Hi.
I mean when I've... 1 minute. Anyone? 1 minute, I'm gonna... One minute. I can't see.
No, not me.
Wait, I got you. Well, I got you when the fireworks go off. I got you. I got you. Hi, look, gotcha. Gotcha. Oh, what? Robin.
Yeah?
Oh, probably, when the fireworks come up, say hi to the camera for me.
Okay.
Oh, I mean, would you do that? Well, probably do it. I mean, when the fireworks come up, when the next ones come up. Oh, yes, the fireworks will come up. Say hi.
Hi.
There we are. Oh, yeah, that was easy. Well, too easy.
I can believe it like that.
Oh. Don't worry, the camera's not going to turn around just yet.
There he is, there over there. All right, like look at them, comes up right and pops, and then all the bits of it, they pop, but all bigger.
Where'd that come from? I really don't know where that come from. A pan around. God, better. Oh, pick the fireworks have stopped now. I think I better put away my iPod for now, and all these clips are just going to go on the computer, and I need to have more roast dinner. And no, the show's not over yet. Yeah, that's what I said, the show's not over yet, so...
Yeah. Good and a good clear night. And it's actually quite, with the fact the shooting coming up towards you, it's really quite good.
Is it there already?
There you go.
Oh, thank you.
Alright, yeah, okay. Yes, thank you very much.
Freezing. Actually, they are warming up a little bit now. This is warming a bit here than it is over there.
I might get back in I'll be back in a second.
Take care, love.
Okay.
Everybody's sneaking down now.
Good shoes.
What's this? William, crocodile. Yeah, William. Josh! What do you do? Don't do that in the air!
You're not recording,
It's recording. It's recording.
These in the fridge making black This is how you do it!
Well, I'm here again. I'm home. I'm sorry I didn't manage to get a few of the other bits what I was hoping to get. I managed to get what I can though. So yeah, I'm at home. The fireworks are finished. I've just been to we've just been to the chip shop. Got back. I don't know what time. I don't know what time. I'm in my room. There, as you can see, there's my new CDs, like right there. Well, I'm still testing them anyway, so yeah. And thanks for watching this video. Please comment, rate, subscribe if you like my videos. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.